guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sudi. In today's video I will be unboxing this new activity center that I got for my son. He is 4 months, so yeah, he's very active, he's very alert. So I got this new little thing for him that I really think that he'll love, because he loves standing and he loves sitting up. So we'll see how this goes. You guys could hear him in the background screaming right now. Like, really, it's because he's laying down and he want to sit up or stand. His daddy think I spoil him. I really don't. Maybe I do. Because he get whatever he wants. Because you know, when it's your first child, you want to spoil him, you want to give him everything, you want to give him everything. Okay guys, so when I got my son, he's much closer where he could see his mommy. So let's get into this video. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. If you aren't new, welcome back. And sorry it took forever to post or make some videos, but you know, your girl's a new mom and I've been busy, so hopefully I could get back to making more and more videos for you guys. So yeah. This actually came early because I ordered it on Sunday and it was supposed to get here on Wednesday. And it came today, which is Tuesday. So hey, that's why I love Amazon. Okay, so this is what it looked like in the box. So you guys can see it good. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the box. So when you open the package, it came with all these little boxes and stuff with whatever they put in them. So these are the legs, 4 of them. And the little packets with the setup information. So these are like the 3 stages that they have, or that you can use it. So by the way, this is like a little bowl. I guess so when they get older, they could eat from it, whatever. Like a little bowl, this little plate thingy. Super cool. There's the little seat. And right here you got the table. It's pretty big. So in this box it has more toys, I think. It's like a little piano, this little other little toy. Super cool. Hey Baba. And we got more toys. So this is pretty good. Pretty toys. Toys and stuff like that. Okay, so to get it pop open, I guess you just push on the inside for it to come off. This is like a little bottom thingy. I don't know, like the base for them to rest their feet on when you put them in. So what it look like. Has like a little mirror so they can see their feet at the bottom. And this way you put the little legs in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the legs, and you guys can see right here, you got like the different levels for you to move as they grow older. Okay, so this little button right here, just see it. And on here has like these little holes, so you go in here and gotta hear it click. There you go. So these are the things, you just pop them out. This little area right here, you can put a piano at the bottom, or you can put it right here also. It doesn't matter. So make sure you line it up. And yeah. So there's a little part on the pocket, if you can see right here. And you just stick these little thingy in there. Make sure they're... So the next step is gonna insert the, hey baby, insert this little chair thingy. There you go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go find batteries and put in these because it never seems to come with batteries. Okay, so I found 2 different size batteries because I'm not sure which one to take. So I got this little one. Oops. A little screwdriver and this other size battery. So let's see. Hi baby. I'm setting up your new toy. Okay, so it takes these one. Perfect. Right, we in business, baby. Okay, so this you can either place it right here or down here so the little feety, when they be kicking, the little feet, you know, hit it, whatever. But oh shit, I'm gonna just put it right here. All right, and okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try him out in it and see how he likes it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.